Hey everyone, here we are just getting ready to turn the dogs loose. I got Dutch and Shylah here with me again tonight. It's about 10:20 and I think it's about 50 degrees out here tonight, so getting ready to cut loose. Got a cornfield here behind me, big chunk of wood, so I'm gonna get these dogs out, see what they'll do. So I'll be back with you here in a minute. As I mentioned to you, I got Dutch and Shylah here with me tonight. So you can see Dutch is actually striking here on the leash, so I'm gonna get ready to cut these two hounds loose and see what we can get going. So I'll be back with you here shortly. All right, got them cut loose now. Now you can hear them running. They're running track pretty good there. Just had to get my hands free a little bit to run this camera. So let's listen to the track a little bit. You can hear them both there open up for a minute. So must have turned right loose on one. It was pretty hot. I don't know, they hit pretty hot there for a minute. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Dutch is hitting up there. Right now, let's see. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Dutch is 65 yards away. Shylah's oh, no, 62 yards, 63, 60. There she is barking. Dutch might just sit right down there with it. I don't know, we'll see. Well, if they figure something out, I'll be back with you. Let you know what's going on. Well, after a little run through the cornfield, dogs got it treed here. I don't know if you can hear old Dutch there treeing. Shylah was in there, but I'm not hearing her right now. But I'm gonna head in there to the tree and see what we can find. Well, we're here at the tree. Had the coon look at me there one time. I can't get him to look again. But anyway, you guys can hear the dogs treeing. So anyway,
Minnie's treating.
I got Volta Pathfinder mini color on Shylah. They just keep telling me she's treeing. Hey everyone, just wanted to put a wrap on the hunt from last night. I guess like you seen in the video there, we just made that one drop. They two dogs were striking off the leash, Dutch and Shylah. They ran it through the cornfield, put it on that tree there, right along the edge of the field. And like I said, I just got to see the eyes there just that one time. But sorry, the camera, I was pretty shaky last night with the camera, just looking around, and just didn't do a very good job with the camera. I apologize with that. But I just wanted to kind of summarize it here today, just because, as many of you may have seen, I've decided to go ahead and put Shylah up for sale. So just wanted to get that video out there and just put this video out here so you guys could see more about how Shylah's doing, and if anyone is interested in her, then you could see how she's doing and be able to make a better decision. So anyway, I just want to once again say thanks for tuning in to my channel, and just ask you to please subscribe so you guys can keep updated on what's going on here with the Blue Creek Kennels. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell, keep you updated on what's going on, and just want to once again say thanks for supporting me. Guys, have a good day. Bye.